Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. We are going to see some important targets for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and of course we are going to use some important tools on TradingView. And before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Link in the description box and in the comment section. Patreon/MindYourCrypto. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins through an automated system with buying and selling opportunities, and you will also get a manual automated system with more targets that has 90% win ratio. Just join us and you will see the extra benefits on Patreon as well. We are waiting for you. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's proceed quickly into Bitcoin chart first. Okay. And what I want you to do is that I want you to go onto the price scale, right click, and use the logarithmic price scale right there. Not the regular, the logarithmic. Okay. Secondly, we are going to use a trading tool which I find very useful when we are on a downtrend because it includes the time on our price analysis, and that is the Skiff Pitchfork. Sometimes the Pitchfork as well or modified. However, the Skiff is more reliable to me now, okay, and in the cryptocurrency market in general. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to select the daily frame on Bitcoin, okay. So you are going on the top left of your screen and you're going to select the daily frame. Daily frame means each candlestick represents 1 day of price action. Now we are going down to the bottom of the 20th July. We are going to draw with a Skiff Pitchfork our first point. We need 3 points, 1 top and 2 bottoms. We are going from the top to the bottom, to the top back on the 10 November. Yeah, that's right, on 10 November. And then we are going to the bottom on 4 December. And if you want to be more precise, then you can use this magnet right here on TradingView and you can follow the lows and the highs. Okay, so what I have done is I have used the TradingView, the magnet tool, and I have done this. All right. So therefore, you are going to see some important support lines. These are Fibonacci levels, okay, nothing more than Fibonacci levels. You're going to the settings and you're going to enable all of these 1.618, 1, 0.75, 0.618, and so on, okay, all these numbers. And then you're going to click the X, extend the lines as well. So you're going to have the left lines because, you know, when you extend the lines, you see some support levels in the history. And why I think that this is the most important line, this one, this trend line right here that I will color with the yellow right there. You can see I will start from here and we're going up all the way. Here we go. Why do I think this is the most important support line? Because you can see how many times we bounced back from this line back in the history. Okay, here as well on September, here on 4th August, and you can see that 27th May and so on. All right, so therefore I think that this is one of the most important support lines. If we follow from this down, then we are going to the next one, which is around the 43 to 44k area. Right now we are between the 45 to 46k area of support level and we haven't lost it. Okay, so we pay attention closely to this line right there. And what I mean by this tool includes the time, it is that you can see every day that passes, because today we have 18 December, tomorrow 19, and so on. Every day that goes on, we have a higher support level. Okay, this is logical because, you know, we do not have the same support level every day. Fibonacci retracements do not include the time. I'm not saying they are bad, it is a bad tool. Okay, it is not a bad tool. It is clearly a very useful tool, but sometimes you have to see the support levels including the time. Okay, this is the correct price analysis and the correct trading you want there. So right now we have the 45.7, 46k and so on as support levels, including the 47 if we manage to just stay until 8 January. Okay, so right now you can see that we have the 45 to 46. If we close below this level on the daily frame or on the 4-hour frame, it works on the 4-hour frame as well. If we manage to close below this line, then probably we are going further down. We have to see now if we can maintain ourselves above the 20-day and the 50-day MA. That's why when I made this video around here, 15 December, I told you that we are not bullish yet, because we have not seen yet the price extending above the 50-day MA and closing a huge gap. For example, having the price, the candlesticks need to have a huge gap between the 20-day MA, the 50-day MA, and the price. Okay. So right now, though, the fact that we hold this support line and we didn't close below, it is very, very good for us. Let's go to Ethereum against USDT. Here we have the same situation, although I draw a little bit of a different Skiff Pitchfork. This time I went from the bottom we had back on 20 July to the top, though, on 3rd September, back to the bottom on 21st. You can see that we hold a very important line as well. And this is this blue line over there. Okay, we haven't closed below this blue line, which is the 3,803.8k USDT. If we lose that, then we could go potentially into the 3.3, 3.4 around there, K. And this would be my last entry for Ethereum. Okay. Totally my last entry around there. As for Bitcoin, I have the 43k to 44. Now that days pass and we do not go down, my limit buying order does not go to 42 from 42 to 43, but from 43 to 44k. So Ethereum against USDT, we hold this line. 3.8k is a very, very strong line to hold, and we still hold it. And this is very, very good. It seems like Ethereum can even go to the 4k in the next few days. Okay. Usually in the crypto market in the last few months, 18 December, 17, actually 17 to 23, 22, each month is a little bit bearish, but we are going to see for our crypto market as well. Okay, so we are going to Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. We are on the verge right now to surpass the 0.10840013. And now, if we do that and we make a higher high than the previous one on 9 December, then you realize Ethereum could easily go to 4K, and not only, it could go to the 4.4 and so on. So we have to wait for Ethereum to see how it will perform against Bitcoin. Was this the top for quite some time, or we are going to have another higher high? In the meantime, we do not have an extreme oversold situation. Instead, we have a little bit of a high risk. We can correct even more. However, we are going to see on the daily frame the next targets. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. You will learn many things, you will take profits, and you will be happy. And I think I am very positive actually that you will be happy. I want you to be happy. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.